Hello YouTube, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another unboxing video. And here I just got my new package, so I'm gonna doing an unboxing video. So let's open this package. And right here, here we go. So here you go. It is the Pelican case 1150. Yeah, it is the 1150 case, and it is black color, and it is made in USA. So I bought this case for about okay, so let me take the case first. Oh, sorry. Oh, right there. Right, it is the manual. Pelican. It is Pelican protector case, and then yeah, it is the manual. It is the manual, and then get the manual right here, and there's nothing left on the box, so I'm gonna put here. So here you go. It is the Pelican 1150 case. So it is black color. Yeah, it is pretty heavy though. And I bought this. I bought this for about 60 bucks. Yeah, and on the Pelican website, this thing is around 40 bucks. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is more expensive here because I'm pretty sure it is more expensive in Indonesia because you must pay for the tax and for the international shipment, so I must pay for more expensive. But yeah, that's okay. And with this the automatic what is this? Oh, I think it is the air. I mean, the air can flow out through there. So this keep. Let's open the cases. Yep. Yeah, it is already with the foam right here, the pre-cut foam right here, there, so you can see. So you can set up. So the reason I bought these cases, it is for to put my collection, to put my balisong collection here, and then to put my the Wiha torque screwdriver set, and then also to put my lube and my Loctite here. Oh, I think it is not match, but I'm gonna put my torque screwdriver set, and then just put my balisong right here. I put my balisong collection right here. So I just need one case to put all of my collection here. So it's a Pelican case with it is with, I'm pretty sure, with this O-ring. So it is waterproof and dustproof, which is very nice. But I don't think I'm gonna bring this outside. But I think it is very nice for place for my collection. Oh, I'm sorry. Like here, So I'm gonna set up this foam right here to match with the size of my balisongs right here. Oops. Yep. Alright, and yeah, it is pretty nice for, oops, yeah, it is the latch right here. I'm gonna lock it again, but it is pretty heavy though. And yeah, 50 Zeiss. Oh, it is 50 Zeiss. And yeah, for 60 bucks, I think it's very nice. So let's see for the specification. We're looking for the specification right here. Oh yeah, there you go. With the O-ring to maintain the watertight seal. Oh, okay. It is the instruction. And then here, oh, it just this. Yep, this is the manual. So there's nothing left about it. So overall, guys, I think this cases is great. Many people bought these cases for to put their collection, their knife collection, which is very nice. So that's the reason I bought these cases again, to put my collection, to put my balisong collection here. So I think it is very nice. So I'm gonna set up this foam first to set up the Zeiss to match with the balisong here. So and then I'm gonna put, yeah, like my torque screwdriver here. So when I broke them outside, I just broke these cases for me. Alright, yeah, I think that's it, guys, for today's unboxing video, and thank you guys for watching. Peace.